Hello everyone, welcome to Plabita's tutorials. Friends, in this video, once again I am going to discuss about one word substitution which is necessary for the competitive examinations like SSC, FCI, bank examinations and other government examinations. So take out your pen and diary and pen and also note it down for your future uses. And I tell you that this one word substitution is a very important topic and it comes in most of the competitive examinations, so don't lose these marks because it can help you in cracking the examination. Okay, and once again, what will I tell? Yes, hit the like button, share my channel with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch the video till the end. So I have picked up 4 questions from the previous year papers and the questions are as follows. Number 1, one who sells articles at public sales. Its options are juggler, milliner, auctioneer and teller, and we have to find out the right answer for this question. Okay. Then the second question is a partner in crime. Its options are accomplice, helper, assistant and alibi. Then number 3 is a general act of forgiveness or pardon. Its options are emancipation, benediction, amnesty and gratification. And question number 4 is a place where arms and weapons are stored. Its options are kiln, granary, arsenal and tannery. Now let us discuss its meanings one by one. Okay. So the first question is one who sells articles at public sales, and its options are juggler, milliner, auctioneer and teller. So let us discuss each of the options. So juggler is a noun and its meaning is a person who juggles objects in order to entertain people. That means he is a kind of a joker or something like that who entertains people. Okay. This is the meaning of the word juggler. I hope you will understand it because it is a very simple word. Its synonyms are conjurer and then magician. That means it is a kind of a person who shows magic or who tries to conjure people through its entertainment. That is known as a juggler. Its example is I saw a juggler in the street. Clear? Then second option is milliner. So milliner is also a noun and it is a person who sells women's hats. All of us know hat, yes or no? And these hats are mostly worn by women. A man also wear it, and the hats that the women wear are very much attractive. And this is sold by this milliner. Okay, that is known as a milliner. Its synonyms are maker, hatter, etc. And its example is the milliner stays at a 2-storied rented house. So this is the meaning of the word milliner. I hope you have understood because I have given an example also with it. Okay. This is the meaning of the word milliner. Then the third option is auctioneer. Auctioneer is a noun and in its meaning is that a person who manages an auction publicly. That means he sells properties etc. publicly, and that person is known as auctioneer. He manages an auction. Auction, do you know, only where some property or land, something etc. are sold in a public manner. That is known as an auctioneer. Its synonyms are peddler and merchant. An example is the auctioneer declared the final price of the house. So this is the meaning of the word auctioneer. And the last option is teller. So teller is also a noun and its meaning is a person who is employed in a bank to deal with customer transactions. So this is known as teller. You will find this kind of person in the banks and any other kind of transaction places. So this is known as a teller. Its synonyms is cashier, clerk, etc. Example, he works as a teller in the bank. So this is the meaning of the word teller. And so after knowing the meanings, what answer do we find for this question? One who sells articles at public places, public sales. I think option number C, that is auctioneer, is the answer to this question. Number 1. He sells articles or things at public sales. Okay, this is the meaning of the word auctioneer, and it is the appropriate answer to this question. Now let's discuss question number 2. Question number 2 is the partner in crime, and its options are accomplice, helper, assistant, and alibi. So let us discuss the meanings of this word. The first option is accomplice. Accomplice means a person who is in crime, a partner in crime. So it is the meaning of the word accomplice. Helper is a very simple word, and its meaning is one who helps someone. Assistant is what who works under someone, and alibi is a noun which means that a proof that someone who is thought to have committed a crime which he or she should not have done it. That means someone is thought to have done the crime, but actually that person is not the one who has committed it, but he is thought to have committed that crime. Means one commits the crime but the other is thought to have committed it. Okay, that is known as alibi. Its synonyms are shield and cover for. Okay, so after knowing the meaning of these words, it is very clear that option number A itself is the answer to this question number 2. Okay, today I am not going to give any examples for certain questions because I want answers from you. You should tell me or should give me examples for this kind of meanings of these words in the comment box. Then only you will be able to learn, because if I'll tell everything, then what you will learn? So you use your brain also, and also tell me the answer in the comment box. Okay, you give me different kind of examples according to the words in the comment box. I'll be very much happy if you do this kind of things. Then question number 3. Question number 3 is a general act of forgiveness or pardon, and its options are emancipation, benediction, amnesty, and gratification. And it's let us discuss the meanings. So emancipation is a noun that means to set free from legal, social, or political restrictions. That means one is set free from any kind of bondages, any kind of restrictions for legal restrictions or social restrictions. That is known as emancipation. Its synonyms are liberation, discharge, etc. Example, they are exempted from emancipation. So this is the meaning of the word emancipation. I hope you have understood it. Then the second option is benediction. It is a noun and its meaning is a religious blessing. We get these kind of blessings from the church, and its synonyms are invocation and blessing. Example, he went to the church for benediction. So it is a kind of blessing that people seek in the church. Okay, so this is the meaning of the word benediction. The third option is amnesty. Amnesty is a noun and it is an act of forgiveness. Its synonyms are pardon and reprieve. So example, I want it from you. You please tell me an example in the comment box. Then the fourth option is gratification. That means a pleasure gained from desire. That means you are showing some kind of pleasure after you have gained something. That is known as gratification. Its synonyms are satisfaction and fulfillment. So these are the meanings of the 4 options, and so we have to find out the right answer for this question. So according to me, so option number B, that is amnesty, is the answer to question number 3. Okay, it is a kind of forgiveness. So we have discussed the 3 questions. Now let us discuss the last question. That is a place where arms and weapons are stored, and its options are kiln, granary, arsenal, and tannery. So without waiting, let us discuss the meanings of the word. So kiln, that means it is a kind of furnace or oven where we bake bricks or some kind of something like that. So its synonyms are furnace and muffle. Its example is he baked the bricks in the kiln. So we you know bricks are used for making houses. So these kind of bricks are baked in the kiln. Okay, this is the meaning of the word bake kiln. Then the second option is granary. It is a noun and its meaning is a large building for storing grain. We store grain in a granary. It is a very simple word, and its synonyms are repository and barn. And its example is I met him while I was in the granary. That means it is the meaning of the word granary is that it is a place where we store different kind of grains. Okay, so it is a very easy word. And the last Option is tannery. Tannery is a noun. Its meaning is that a place where leather is made. We know what is a leather, and this is a place where this leather is made. Its synonyms are cannery and foundry. And another option is arsenal. So arsenal means a place where arms and weapons are kept. So obviously option number C is the answer to option number B. So only a few words I have discussed with you. I hope you will note it down properly and store it for your future examinations. And in the next video again I will discuss another important words, one word substitution. Okay, so get ready for that also. Okay, so thank you for today.